All right, let's play that music. Oh, the pity mostly have the bloom. Let me go get the tickets. Ma va a promoting one. Non mi chiamiamo quella di
Per indossare vestiti nuovi svanisce lavaggio dopo lavaggio. Perlan deterge rinnova fibre e colori. Per capi come nuovi, in soli 10 lavaggi.
They see music. They hear music. This one where I play so now, where they play now. And those two mumu animal waiting for Benin, I play their song. Which one go good more dance put? Which one sweet pass? Power tap on your screen. Let's go there. See, I beg you now. My wife is dancing on the bed. That's why it's got my glass water like this. Let me observe.
Benvenuto nel mondo di Felix, dove ogni momento è perfetto per qualche marachella e dove ogni pasto è irresistibile.
I'll tell you music. I don't want to be staging. I don't want to funny. I don't want to staging with all this song. Yeah, I'll play their songs small. Oh, baby. You know, you were Saturday. Oh, wonderful. That's my investments. Hope you understand me now. They tell you what, you got my watch now. Oh, I wake me up in Lalodi. The carpet team will be here. Oh. Share this video. Share the video. You get my point now. That's my investment. Why twerking on that way? Don't be twerking for your husband. Oh, but the mood here. This is the only beginning when they twerk with this song. And what will they be need to twerk? I feel. Okay now. Alright. What's your eat? It's sorry. It's a way you Fabrica o pirapinho. E me tell you what though, and I mean you. When said this is and then for you. But then I go in for me, said to you, what even for you women do. I want to leave your gift. Even if I was some kind of people. I want to leave your girl. No way that I will. Even if I was a baby. Oh, one of my body, nobody your way. Oh, we take away. You don't need my good. We say we get away. Even say we get your water and I need you. Looking very good. Oh, never do it good. Maybe say this is so. And I never want you so. Oh, never do it good. Maybe say this is water. Even boy, how about to meet your girl? You hear something? Can you set it to say? Think about water. How about to meet your girl? You hear something? Can you set it move?
Scopri le tagliatelle ai funghi, 4 salti in padella Findus.
Alpha, come è che mi dice?
Voy problema. Irido. Women, tissue. Don't need work. One love. You do for me, I do for you. Let me see your door. I need your solo. I need your solo. That's not the final. No, I'm yet the best song. Don't know, man, no. Oh, si c'è la musica.
Basta un gesto speciale per far sentire.
Guarda che musica non è Nick, no?
Morbidi tre
Guarda che ragazzi sono buoni.
E con il sapore delle cose fatte.
We are trying to help them. Guarda che si muovono fuori a YouTube channel.
You
don't understand.
Grazie alla tecnologia no.
Ma non è beh, ma non è amico di
Para
YouTube.
i denti sensibili in
Io mi ha detto che ti ha detto. Share this video, guys. I'll show you. What's the other way? Obi abẹ́rẹ́ wẹ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀wù. Wà dòdòdòdòdò.
Sweet mother, this TV. Obi abẹ́rẹ́ wẹ̀dọ̀.
Apẹ̀rẹ̀. Ọ̀nà EZIZA. Why are you threatening me? Okay. How you going to be a little better picking? But we were young being one eye. I'm already better than young being one. Otherwise, wow, the little better than the German. In better children. Hello, baby. Wow, the more than the agbo. Wow, the special child. Wow, Loa. I didn't follow the baby beside you. Tu wa here Loa, we go now. Oh, that's Asaboro. Well, that's sexy. Water for national peace too. Greetings to every one of you guys that are watching this broadcast. Oh, I'm also talk for 15 minutes after 5. No, go why after the I don't talk about this man. You get my point now. Oh, Ato, please guys share this video. It's very, very important. You understand? In every nonsense, there's always the sense. Share the video. You also pick sense from the nonsense will come off my mouth. That's how you just be. If only you get sense, because if you don't get sense, everything's we are going to talk about nonsense. But if you get sense, you'll pick the sense inside my nonsense. You'll throw away the salt with this side. Because in for every insult, salt day. You get my point now? It's a yeah. Now, today we'll talk in a different dimension. We'll carry a glass if you're not already there. Share the broadcast, bro. Princess Avialele, I must greet you with better style. Wow, top of 15 minutes after 5. Almost 1 billion. I greet you. Success, baby. Almost to tour for national peace to reign. Daughter of waiting. You're the daughter of the daughters of the daughters of the Most High God. EZIZA. Highland. Oh, you are living in Highland. I'm not with the Highlander. You get to my point now. Oh God. See women will get level. I cite you, daughter of the Most High. Oh God. Oh God. The body of God is by Most High God. You get to my point now. You tell you test. You have to test me now. You want to test me now. You get to my point now. You want to test me now. If I don't mention your name, you also say I don't see your comments. You understand? I don't see your comment. I don't see your like. You don't understand me now.
I greet you, my lovely blood. My blood. My when is Sabi. Oh, dogu. Iye-eki mama. Ọmọ àgbésọyìn mi à ń ṣe mi bí ọ̀yìn.
Exactly.
Okay. Òkú oníkì ẹ́. That is a mother.
That's the word update. I cite you, my brother. The word updates. The greats, I must greet you. For national peace today. For those of now, hey, love it. Swear. Oh God. I greet you. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to every one of you guys that I couldn't mention your name for those of you. Now we see the for FYP. We did just the word, for 15 minutes after 5. Oh, you get to my party now. Yeah, said man, I didn't know we had this. What my brother? We want to start. We see one now on YouTube. We have Kukigo. And we are Gegesu. Mare. We didn't know we had this. We are use the way. Okwagis kwa iko kosi nwane wote dia webo you na amwe YouTube ogiye ni ya ahungo e wana ya pe una so de we na YouTube obi agegesu you see how you outdoor you are you know amwe YouTube ni ya ahungo the most view no loud the most money he's making and when we here there Europe you know you may ya go you know na go promote because we maybe ya the ticket no ya there in Europe tour ndo you ya what you know, we that promo to when we go the tour and flow ticket. You get to my point now. No, yeah, dear Europe tour, no tour, mama. Hello, off we're going. So, on in a bolo for. Are we going to be a little best at the Germany? About off we're going. If we were do, are we ye best side? Take me up. A special child. Are you going to be a money bad with Germany? You can you Josh take a gesture with Germany, ya jelly beside. Wabe wow, reg wow, happy Sunday, happy beside day. You understand? Happy beside day, happy beside day. Who are told that mama like who are your boy, ya belly beside the bio. He beside the hog below, who are you be beside do. You understand? Go to our day, if women in the way boo, in my understand, if you know this year recently now, and I'm here in best side why I be the way boo. Why say, is it that the tilapia tube of the clitoris here, gaga? My understand. You understand? The maredo, nekumari adi, and mammy, what did you be best side? I've been making best side, what do you not do it best say? What the very men know? Did I look like in best side? This one a sad guy here, you know. He said, Mom, yo, why did you born me as imbecile? How can you imagine? Oviedo, sese, Oviedo negeli. Wahen ya bia wadin ya belly beside. Ndire government in the government he pay you beside. Okay, in Bekono, when I say Bekono, because of a community, a guideline, you have a guideline, I'm guiding you line, you come with, I mean, I have a guideline, you understand now. Now, Emi bunia agwa kan gutana wa akwa aka ho adokadino. You get my point? No, we kuri we are one boy. That's why I say in every nonsense there's always a sense. The one will be your own for inside. We kuri your way we are one boy. I didn't mean to insult anybody, but if my words sound as an insult, I don't give a F what you would do. You get my point now. So, but if you get sense, speak sense from all my nonsense this evening. I will not get lot on social media where are you who take no monoreko yakin beside. Last year, he did that video. Last year, trying to promote having imbecile children in Deutschland because of the rate of the money the government German pay in bacon on children. You got my point now. You feel me? You feel me? Now, it is now obvious that some of our women in Deutschland are now taking something to have in bacon on children. Because naturally, it is very difficult to see our women they born in bacon. Because those days when they grow, they come for bongo. The only people where they born in best corner. Now, big men. If you check most big men children for Benin that year, they be economic color, in anything. You understand? Not those kind of big men, because the kind of sickness where big men children they get, because they are packed them money, God they punish them with big sickness. You see all of us will be poor man children for bongo that year. Would they follow apart, they go farm, they go the farm. If your man born today, the next 2 weeks, he don't they go farm. Some people they born the first market and not here iye-eki. You understand? Some people their mama, then you come for road, they're born. As they born the for not here there. You understand? And not here there. Some people as they want to go fetch water for river. Now labor hold their man, now their man push it born for river, then they call her Eze. You understand? They can't call her Eze again. Eze, bete. You understand? Amazing. You get my point now. So sometimes all these children where they mention all these women they born head. Some women they born by themselves. They know they go hospital. Some women go just day like this as the root can for farm. The next day, mom go just jump come at pian. They go just born. Like my mom last born, my present like this, I stand like this. Vidi me buka me. Or he buka me one wari huno today. They palo. Et il y a des artistes de ya, il me y a les artistes de no rudu mari. Elle de ya billet. Sharp, in no reach many minutes. It don't make pian pick the con. The next one they hear one more they cry. Now because they jump for us, I say, my mommy no bon. I don't even know what he bon. And they don't have a say, my mommy don't bon. Then they ask, what your mom bon? I don't know, but you don't bon. You don't born again. It was a born things, born days. You get to my point now. Why I be say our women, some of them, for this Europe, no, in short, I'm not going to put Italy, especially for Deutschland, that way I know. Some of our women for Germany now, don't even take medicine till they born in bedside. Picking where God they bring come health, this life with good health. So woman go take medicine to take change the picking, turn the picking to because of the money. The same woman now, you go check that woman. Now Losho he come here, can't do. After many years of Losho, you don't blow. Now you're best at picking now, you want to make money, you want to build hotel for Nigeria, then you want to build skyscraper for Nigeria, then you want to build shopping mall for Nigeria, in back corner picking. Our women they proud, say they paid them 15,000 euro, about 23 million naira. For 4 children for him back on. This one are waiting woman supposed to be for the top of social media. Why be anything we control our own time? China is going to do that. The negative things. Now we're going to do that. How can you imagine a mother picking where sand, they heady, where they talk back for mouth, they still they hard to control. Now talk about people you go tell us say A, you go tell Z. In back on children, their brain, it be like say their brain, therefore. If back on go there 30 years, the brain go do like who they KG1. Which is very bad. We just make we just keep quiet. This kind of thing doesn't go rampant. Very soon now, our children are going to marry women for us. Their children they're going to born in back on for them. Any woman will get all those best. I call it saga unana. They'll call they hide themselves, they call the pikin special pikin. Pikin whether they talk. But now it don't big, they call them special pikin. I tell special. We be a more than what's a special pikin. On my neck go with a special pikin. On my neck basically, I will say special pikin. What is special? It's a useless pikin. On my neck, no, special. That I was going to say I be like this. I special. If I be like this, no. If you got TikTok now, say best Klemiski, full TikTok. Best Klemiski, full TikTok. So I'm not get hand and not get leg. People they throw for Lagos Express Road. Now TikTok of they call it D. I'm not ashamed. Now but they give them. They give them. You go see children now. Somebody will they roll for ground. They go they roll for ground. Picky when they did Lagos Express Road, they beg money for England for a jota. They don't turn to TikTokers. People they pack, they follow them. You don't get one thing when they benefit from them. I imagine this our generation, how stupid our generation will be now. The next generation, God know how they go be. Waiting not good, waiting they abolish for community. They will pack and come to talk. About they will pack, they follow them. Person go just stand, you not get hand, not get leg. You go the pick plantain. You go the pick plantain. Crack go just go that look. I don't understand. Now go they encourage bad things. Things when they bring shame and disgrace, they come. Since when they don't monetize Nigeria, all those children when they don't have bad, all those abandoned property for inside Lagos Express Road, when they bush, they park the come city. But they don't buy the 100 phone. They go, yo, go. Please power tap. Give me rose, money gun. Please give me rose, money gun. Please give me money gun. Please give me one fish. Like say the Saskubian. Like say the money gun are free for TikTok. Click on money gun, you see how much euro it be. May you times that for Nigeria. Person go tell you say give me lion. Go click on lion. May you know how much they give lion. And how much it be for Bongo. Who you want go give iye-eki or no? Tomorrow you see they come TikTok again. Next one, now nobody they work for Benin again. It's just for the full Nigeria now. Nobody they work. Everybody done at TikToker. Till they break. Everybody on the TikTok. Money gun. And some people, even the funniest part, grandmama and mama picking all of that TikTok now. They go dirty, they go on the TikTok. Oh, please, thank you. All those thank you. Oh, bless the chat, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the money. Thank you for the money. Thank you. Pride, thank you. Ever good, thank you. Ever young, thank you. Thank you for the grace. Thank you. Bless it. Thank you. Thank you for like the video, share the video. Thank you. Media, thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you, everyone at time. I want to ask, school don't resume. This children they go school. Early morning. Children they talk. Mama they talk. Dad they talk. The funniest one are basically make children. Picky we don't wear. The full social media. Now our mothers, our sisters for Germany. Their motive now are to the born in bedside. Up in bedside progress. Up in back on progress. Up in back on children in Deutschland progress and unity. Igor Mama Gualo. Up in bedside mommy progress. Up in bedside mommy in Germany progress and unity. Up in bedside women in Germany. Igor Mama Gualo. Honorary Beski. Honorary Beski. Igor Moya Gualo. Igor ni mabia yunukpo. Eya ki gualo yunwomo. Igor naves abi biagia no. Ni you a bashaw for many years. Ni relocate ya Germany ya barely best side in the government ni go make na tell up in best side mothers in Deutschland progress. Up in back on the women progress and unity. Up in best side women in Germany. Igomo magwalo no konkon. Aba deri ekeneki egui. Abe ni oho anire Germany. Wa ha bieli besat pikin wa ho wan gbon waye yan ga institute ko pe yan ga de pe we na me gbe pa pogbon ba bo yan bolu wa here for 15 minutes after 2 agiara nonsense we na ya bi omo down here here yan mo pe ni money always special pikin e mo ma special pikin is a special uma be special pikin special we be special pikin I will be you have a species. Omonegun no podon yagbe we ati a special pikin. Yeah, spice for always up 1,000. He was like, now when I'm at work school, all that up 1,000 pikin, up 1,000 children who are tossing like me. A toss of Agbuwa. Well, you make tossing. On my tossy, tossing. Sagatagu, where God be beside. Tossing. Usawetagu, where God be up in the corner. Tossing. No sa wa bie let's kill me I wanna go get that wa bie la wanna go get that wa bie lo din you better ba bie le Germany all for child benefits na make na ya amigo mo abe le we mu one of the nation abe le we mu wa se gbe se wa even resuming wa even retire wa shawo wa na like best na biele why be say na bad party there ever they put on. Why this is a bad thing? Now they happen to them. Una gonna bring you they will not get head for her. We will go get head, my enemy head for self. The one will get head, now go see the head finish. Nene mono go ale go. Yeah, you. Why we have best the bag be? Oh look, no be. E mono ye de head. Iyo mo ya leru. Ni ya ga vie social ya wa. Now you imagine go born in Benside bring come house. Social do me agbada wa we. Why be the government? Eriyeru wa bielu wa bi eriyu wa bielu wa na sungu abi beside mama abi beside association okono bi beside obi amba no be beside we genu he ya apply ya oka ya apply ya okay ya apply ya oko ya salo up in beside ye mama progress up in beside mama progress and unity up in beside mothers igomo magwalo. Monoti agbon wa ya rikun wa ya fi dagun wa guri eri rega fi wa dagun wa guri eri rega fi wa dagun wa guri abi yi beside abi yi bekono. How can you imagine omo nu we ye ki we bie ugbe ku yo kan we I'm honey I'm pregnant so o the phone ga go or miss your d o wo ke wa ya rikun o ya ri na hara ya awe na o pe ani yen o. None of these women will swear. Say their husband know what they do for on code. Don't no you no we are beside. No how about that for them? When no soon money ma biena. Jaya him beside. Ngokuni ya we there what you kuni. If I must see mona real do akpodogon. Oda bi uno bi go odo don't do. Yan wa pay go no kwayo 15,000 euro. Mone guan. You understand? We are getting here from here. Gabu you wa. Never okay. 50,000 euro. You go need below. Oh yes, kuna. Get my bill. Hey, why around here? I want a bill for. Can you smoke it or make it have a bill? You understand? Oh man, you go make it that come. Which woman they discuss this kind of thing with their husband? You know the. Baba mama say truth bed. Check all these women will get this in back on our children. Abi ko ni be kono na ya check yan una mi pe owo yan only few for that journey only few then you will see with man many na them be the mama and them be the papa wa ragbon wa biele beskele meski If you not banning here, look what the same women will come out on TikTok and will have vasicle. Ni enegbe ni ruwa. Ni enegbe. Now, it was so raw. Ìmọ̀ àwọn oníkà àbọ̀ disguagua ìkòbó. Who are running awa be TikTok now. I mean, when man enegbe ni live video the TikTok now. Il y a un problème ou rien. Tu sais, story mawa. Il y a un TikTok, il y a un problème ou rien. Il y a one of my friends, see what they passed through for her husband's house. And you know, now she be the person. Now she does get the problem. I do that her husband. Whereas now he no go tell the whole world waiting they do to your husband. Waiting she they do to your husband for her own house. Undigo mo okbia oku okwodo okbia for wa. Ot your gbanegbe, ot in other for because of child benefits. I only tell you about only Germany, Switzerland, France, merci beaucoup. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, mais Ronaldo. Ça va bien, Okocha. Ça va bien aussi, mais. Destiny Charge 1. Speak English. I should speak English. Do you know if I'm educated? I don't speak English. Not English, so. I don't speak English, please. I don't speak English. I'm speaking my language. Not English, you know. I don't know how to speak English. You know, capish English. No capish English. Are you not speaking English now? You know, capish Italiano. Tu non capish Italiano, sì. But you don't speak Italian now. You know, say, oh, English is poco. What is poco? English is small. I speak English, little. Me, I speak Dutch. Was ist los? Wie geht's dir? Gut. Was ist Unstag? Was ist Unstag? Single mother versus Unstag. They're not going to know what at all. The Dutch way I speak now, single mother way born in bedside, they're not going to understand. Versus Unstag. Why are people having in bedside children? Frankie, yeah, you understand me now? A single mother ni barely bedside. Yeah, school. Okay, I should speak local English, okay? Oh, this is my brother, Destiny Child. You see, I should speak local English. Let me speak local English. You know what I'm saying? You know, when I was in America, you know what I'm saying? When I was in California, when I went to California, we don't have any breastfed children in California. All we have is autopsy children in California. California got autopsy children, you know what I'm saying? You got now back in Germany, we got Germany, we got a lot of single mothers in Germany, man. All the single mothers left from Italy, from France, from Spanish, you know what I'm saying? They come to Germany to get asylum seekers, you know what I'm saying? Now they go to Germany, they start this bullshit, you know what I'm saying? All these people in Germany, you see some of these women in Germany, they have kids in Germany, no father, they're so single mother everywhere. What's going on here, man? What's going on? Why children everywhere, no father? It's all the mother, mommy, mama, or some mama. All the children just shouting, oh, my mama. I need to say, welcome to my aid. Yo, oh, my mama. Yo, come to my aid. I was saying, I said, what is going on? Why this single mother not picking? Where did they stop? Single mother no husband. What happened to their father? They don't hule. They chase their father away. They want to collect the child benefit alone. Now, the latest update now is that single mothers now in Deutschland are now having in-bedside children. You know what I'm saying? They're having basically children. One will get like 4 in-bedside picking. Because 15,000 euro. Oh, your bar, oh, whoa. Now I get money, pass, oh, what money? Bro, you understand my English? You know what I'm saying? Voila for in-bedside mother. Up, in-bedside mother in Deutschland. Progress. Up in bedside mother in Deutschland, progress and unity. Up in bedside mother in Deutschland, Igomo Magualo. So anybody wants saga in bedside woman, this is the way they address them. Up in bedside children in Deutschland, progress. Up in bedside children in Deutschland, progress and unity. Up in bedside children in Deutschland. Igomo Magualo. How you bedside in my be? Okay, no, when I you no more yak in bedside the echo, if I got lawa. Oga yeruwa you wire biwa diagbon riyan wa awa na gbanuwa e we riyan wa ohun mo ga tobu wa oge ohun mo ga tobu wa ota o wa ga sun e go meta mi bu me ya gba money e ari oba mi bo me ya o wa ga ko wa ga na oba for bringing it better children o wo pa won mi o mi no me gbeskelemeski ne how can one mother have 4 gbeskelemeski in just aloboa when we know say the country where we dey as from 4 months latest 4 months government don't tell you what you want born. They don't tell you what you did your belly. If na stone, they go tell you that Ugbe na decide. Ugbeniski na decide your belly. If na in back corner, they go tell you na in back corner you want born so. If na autopsy, they go tell you na autopsy children you want born so. So how come mothers go still calm? They go still nurse that kind pick for good 9 months. Come born and come life. Do you know the funniest part? Some of these women, when they get this thing back on picking, they use CS, they bond them. Operation. They know they bond them direct. Because the best clinic picking go cross on this. Picking with like this, they call life. I want to pass your quintus. You understand? When we the bonus, our bonus as in best side. That one I want to wait they make me the paradigm because I don't see that they raising this thing. So because of the rate of the money they pay to all these in back on children. Now make our women just decide to bring this kind of children they call life. Baba, you go church. In best time picking all this, you go to follow pastor to the drag mic for water. You go that church for journey. In best time picking, you go to follow you go to follow pastor the drag Bible. But Sister Mary, come and carry your children, please. Come and carry your children, please. Fear not go let you nag them. Picking the bone with Dutchman. Fear not go let you nag them. If you, bro, what would they tell ourselves the truth now? Oh, bro, what would they tell ourselves the truth? What did they saw? Why are women they born special picking full everywhere? This is not good now. You go day party, in person children go to disturb. They go to disturb. Person not go fit nag them. You go open wife for them, they go to laugh. You go do wife for them, they go to smile. They go be like males. Person not born up better party go born in back on. It don't make sense, bro. All this person not go fit talk this thing. Bro, make a talk calm. Nah, see about for make a talk calm. Make a knock on the way the thing be. I they go church that year. And they see what in best children they do for church. Basically, pastor going to preach, they're going to disturb. If they put them for children departments, they don't sit down. They go to the wrong pattern inside church. So go on, go use head knock work be. They go to the road still dey. Our road don't end. When I know what's not they talk now. People they born for our brothers with bacon of children. They go all play. They go use head. See road here, they don't pass. They don't go reach the engine. They go see use head hit work be. They'll come back, they'll fall, they'll cry. You know? They don't let you get sense like that. They are sense in their leg. Mothers, how are you taking out of? Bro, the thing don't make sense again. Not too much. But I don't want to talk on this. We don't stop all this nonsense. Now when they bring it better, they call life. We don't stop her. You can't parole with that one. Fear let Papa they follow the waka. Bro, don't be like, how many father they stop with their best children? You get picking up with the proud of your picking. Not me the dance just now. Kevin one tell me say want go sleep. He can't follow me the dance. If I back on just now, you say follow me come dance. She will let me carry it, but say back on the come out. I will tell her I say the truth now. No be picking with their head today, okay, this son. No be you go feel proud of as a father. You can't go ask, you go eat, just go eat. Can't go ice cream joint, buy an ice cream, not a lick ice cream, and they'll straight to go down. Even if you will see you with the picking, so they're going to happy. They're going to see you, see good, sad, speaking fine. They just say, Bella, bolo, bala, bala. They go give her a different name. Because the picking makes sense. Bro, not the make sense again. Say, I'm going to bring it best in the country. They call this life. What's this all? Which money are they find? You want to also for road work, not tired now. Which kind of money they find for this life? Where they carry this earth they go? All this property we want to acquire. Sister, where they carry they go? I ask you this question. All this property where you want to acquire so for this earth, so where you want to carry and go? They want to dig up for 6 feet. The hotel where you build, they want bury the hotel, follow you for 6 feet. When they make the breeze better, they call life. But it's not good somebody to talk out. When I order the 2 months for this social media, I don't want to burn better picking for everywhere. Picking not good. Basically, make the food for everywhere. In back corner. Picking go just 6 years, never talk. 6 years picking never talk. But I'm going to form activity now. I'm going to bully for the pass. I'm going to bully for the pass. Go see about Goddaughter. The guy says picking for stars, not a talk. That death has done my OD. But you can write around for people children. You can write around people children when say they're dead, they talk, they vibe. They almost basically for his house. Miss blood for everywhere because we show matter. Check many seniors for abroad. Don't be the father they give out to. Don't be born there. Some people you see they don't get different color. Michael's sperm go from the head. James sperm go from the waist and the leg. Man, they let us understand. They confuse us for this abroad. They saw. And they confuse us. And this is not be joke again. It's not funny again. Because I'm not going to stay one place. I'm not respect myself for this year. All this is best of my mom. I'm not respect myself. Or you with your girl, make document kill your head there. Because document, you're going to follow the best of my. Because you want to get document. What going to follow? What going to friend woman who don't say get best of my. The people will bust bottle your one day. You see now play the play. See, all men, if you know someone getting beside, not follow on again. Not even greet them. Not they bone them. Like disease. The bad people. One of them again. All those people with the get mad, they condemn people for belay. They can buy you. No near around. They go get special picking on the near around. No follow and drug. You don't even buy what I'm not buy. Not kind of when you want to. Leave a mess of a killer. Rubbish people. They will carry, but they go buy car. Park many car sit up for some back of motor. They will see they do video. Yeah, women. Useless set of women. We don't the shame. When I cut this, they go give them. Dirty women. They bring him inside the con life. Nonsense. But then you go see some. For the money they collect for this, for that best I saw. They don't get driver license. They don't get motor, they don't drive. Like Carol, they party like sardine. They go market. They go touch market, they go to studio, they go to supermarket. Supermarket go for go do shopping. Best people go see come with his spit hand. Go see use on the touch the thing. With his spit hand. Like I tell them the truth, if that they cost you, they don't care. I'll tell them the truth. Any woman when they bring you beside, they call this line, I'm going to punish you. You're not born beside. You're not born beside. You don't be beside. Why they born beside? They use medicine, they change people for belay. May God change your destiny for you. Wallahi salam alaikum. Nonsense women. Because of child benefit now. I'm not do ashawo. Una tire for ashawo matter. Oba bini se oba talk me. Make una serious. Wa gbame sa you he. Make to rest. Make to cool. Men they to cool. They don't want here. They still come out now. They go Germany. Their next motive now. I thought they born in Beside. What is that bad thing that they're gonna do for this Deutschland? They don't get any idea of bringing one good initiative out. Make Oibo say, say, nice one. Now I'm Bini woman. Now I open this company for Germany. Everybody go the lodge go correct. Now woman you be. Now I'm Bini woman learn work, learn this thing, do this one, learn that for Deutschland. You know, day for them. How many of our women they drive trailer for Germany? See that trailer for Germany. I never see. But they get the idea. They know the kind of medicine they could take to take abort belly. They know the kind of medicine they could take. They would turn to the beside because of child benefits for abroad. We now not too much. Especially at the talk to our Bini women because they get sense, From that they can't turn away with the wear on here. You see, they for contact money, they do press up. And then yama women. What's not good. So we just look not quiet. But we just how far. What's this so? Maybe they relate with you now. But how far, bro? If you see any better woman for road, not carry on with your motor, maybe beat and picking. You got punished to a generation. It's not good. Don't talk about this thing. Be straight. If you see me for not greet me, and I'll give you an eye for the back to you. We no born better person born beside. No, they born this beside because of our selfish interest for child benefits. We carry pikin on life for child benefit. Pikin we know they talk. They do basically. It makes sense. That kind of thing makes sense. Something not good and person they talk. Who they talk, pikin when they talk, you see they hard to control. For that said Dutchland. It is hard to control. Don't talk of basically. Just enter TikTok everywhere now. What the person they forbid? A pattern of the core life because of child benefits. Yama. How many of you now they been that here and they see all this better for road? That Lagos Express they go to stay, say bush. In the morning like this, where somebody come and they come after the bush, they'll stay for express to they beg. They go to beg. So when they clean your wiper, you dash the money. They don't reach abroad now, they don't come get a papa hand for abroad. Now government they pay them. For invest picking 15,000 euro. That's about 23 million. Better block. Don't give money never home morale. So they bank basically. So I'm saying I'm picking a bomb. I'll tell them the truth. Fly them and go walk transformer. I useless picking a bomb, bro. How many men go feel on his so I'm a proud father of 4 good imbeciles. Which man go feel use on his chest? And they ask all these our men now when they pregnant all these beside women so come on picking on people. How many of our men go use on his chest say yes I did so I'm a proud father of 4 imbeciles. Why shame not let them talk about that? If the thing a good thing. If this thing is special, why shame not let them be proud? How many women they use on the hit chest and they proud mother of 4 in bacon? When they will so down a matter they will be gone. Now we just sit down, carry belly finish. They use medicine, they spoil the pikin, make the pikin talk to you best side for belly. Now come born and make them pay people money. Agbon. Use less of women. Now go they proud. The turn that way go where now. Anyone will born best side, the guy here and say you born best side. I will just carry you come out, carry that you get best side. I can't flog you for this media. Can't disgrace your generation. How many of them they practice up? Why not carry picking go Nigeria? How many people you just say carry best side picking go Nigeria? Let's not be frank to ourselves now. If I don't do the show finish for abroad, God come bless you, come get married, come born. The first picking in best side, second in best side, third in back, fourth in bed where you come pack the for about flights. I want to go and visit my father in Nigeria. Oh, daddy, mommy is here. Your daughter is here. Your grandchildren is here. Oh, where my grandchildren? Papa. They come for them. How many of you have got this abroad? Carry children go house, maybe carry it back on your children go house. Go show to your parents for us. Say, this is what you pick when you born for abroad. By this is your grandchildren. How many of you are not trying once? You know, just spend my life for a year. Nobody want to go house again. Nobody want to go visit the country. Nobody want to go visit Nigeria. All the money where you work for abroad. No one go see what your family use and do for us. Just the born in Beckono. Time for you to go work and contribute to the economic of the country. You carry belly, you born in Beckono. But this one. Something not good person to talk. It's not good. Well, not change her. If Beck will not be people that they're proud of. Some people they're proud of. When they do things right. Can just sit down and say, mother, you're the happy say you want to soon. I will see what happen and I just diagnose one best side because my money for increase. Because you know I go work. But by what you see for this life, take on. If you also any amount you get, systemize your spending. If you like get heaven ahead, get aeroplane, get private jets. About the way you buy, leave all those things. Nothing when they carry for nobody go heaven. Then they can never bury private jet follow you go enter that grave. You know, guy money go long reach. Buy the full airport, international airport of Lagos. Buy Abuja or Jonah. About the way they go, no level. your president, wait, bye. Now, master, they bury and master, they not use coffee. If you don't know, make you know, now, master. Then they bury your president for Nigeria. Upon all the money we acquire, everything we get. But by the master, they bury that man. They don't put one lens us follow enter grave. G-Wagon follow enter grave. No hotel follow enter grave. No shopping mall follow enter grave. I bet madam you do well. Make for the get sense. They're not giving a sense for this social. They're not get sense. To the blooms or don't blooms for how many years for abroad. Time for you to rest. May you enjoy the fruit of your labor. They bring it back on the con life. That one not life. If not, even on a two picking you born, they are sound and heady. You are okay. As far as you go feel the take care of them, you will be proud of them. Then you go to pack many children, they call of the day, basically your house, all your house go to smell. You go they wash, they clean, they wash, they clean. Because you get best side for children for SARS. Speed go full on their body. If they change shirt, you go to change shirt. If they change shirt, you go to change shirt. Because wait, you call for woo. Now you make one they get sense, eh? Carry fine breast, they will carry better coins to talk swell like bones. If you want to convert that best side, what's the need of that to do? It's a dirty because you see some kind of to do that to swell like bones. At the end of the day, people come and people carry the woman carry what can pay on. You don't side the woman, you don't like the woman. When you constantly picking out, basically. What's the user come and do? Tomorrow I'll say, man, not good man. Which man wants to stay with woman will get better for his ass? Which reasonable man will get sense? Wants to stay with woman will get better for his ass? Even though you get 20 children, but all your children this sound on my head, man will still go on this name marry you. For you to take the responsibility of those children, see go handle you. The man will toilet, they will respect you. They will remove cap for you. Nowadays, just everybody born basically the food this world will consume. That's why our parents take bonus. Which man? When I tell me which man, whatever, we go see. You know, so you feel proud. Carry money, climb up. Content was so you feel proud. Marrying back on, mama. See, my wife has 4 in bedside. My beautiful wife has 4 in bedside. She's so beautiful and I love her. I want to marry her. Oh, guys, you show me born. And basically, you understand? Nobody, no day. No day. You know, day. Woman will still day healthy with beautiful children. Everything there with the woman. Yeah, so on day, back day. Max, they usually play, but because don't born. Yeah, this one say, yeah, married single mother. Me, God forbid, I'm the married single mother, God forbid. I'm the married single mother, God forbid. What's that single mother do? Let's wait for born. I don't know. No, talk of say, no, you can't born in back on. Basically, picking. They wait for more to marry you. Just the wait. Your coins go breathe smoke. You go use Dido go feed your market. And they test you. The highest they can do with you is a video call. They shook yourself. The truth now, many they go hate me. I don't give a F. No, I'm not going to hate the truth. I'm going to knock out and make it enter my head. So next time, I will stop the use medicine, the sport people they bring it back to life. Because this is no longer funny, bro. You know the funny. One first speaking bedside. For abroad, not for Nigeria. From Nigeria, some say, they don't go hospital. Now, native medicine they trick. Now, roots can kindly money. Packs of a mouse, drink. Like those days of our mother. And they make her not know. And you're there abroad, you're one first speaking bedside. You are a useless woman. That God will punish you. Second speaking bedside, that God will punish you. Third speaking bedside, that God will punish you. You better kill ya. I'm going to bring it better in your life. Tomorrow, that your daughter will be bedside. Don't want to come marry her. You're not going to sleep with her. You with that man, we pour it better for your woman. Because you go knock your daughter. Which person picking will not be heady? On the normal sense, we get sense. We want to knock your picking. We want to be wagbon. We're not going to do something. We're not going to think of future. I think of this to selfish interest because of the money we're going to pay you. No, they think of the future of that girl. You see him back on picky go big, mature with breast, everything. Nobody want hear her because they be basically. This is not a joke. You just think that joke? You get one best side girl now when they all still no one you dirty talk. Now to this now I call the concept celebrity nini. That one would sell. I how would they wonder some men are so useless. Men they would I know that men they want to still use on they want to catch up to get money. Want to use on take trend. They would run the girl for life. The girl with the full man will get sense, man will grow up. Basically fool you. If they carry money, carry billions of naira join give me that. I know they carry. I all look some people how stupid they are. Basically, they post it what they do. You're looking at my money. You want to come and check my money? You sure you love me? Are you sure you love me? I look at my bro. What's wrong with our men, man? This is our agenda. Men are not stupid. Men are not the Chris. Chef Jack with it. Men are not the Chris. I swear to God. You with this sad. Get to leg. They work. They vibes. They go work. They also they make money. You can't decide that you want to go date that basically. But what can shake it for you what they are? If my family not going to my past again, I go banish you for that village. I go they look so bro. To the funniest part. You know the funniest part? This guy see they climb TikTok. They go for matchmaking. Bro! I like, who be this one? Matchmaking don't suffer. Social media, I don't suffer. I see, basically, make I on my life, make I on my camera. Oh, my camera. Oh, no, I want my camera. Oh, wow. I said, what? What about shit? You get who camera? You see? What kind of man do you like? What kind of man do you like? What do you need for a man? What kind of man you like? I need a man that is tall. He will be God hearing. God hearing. You say what? I'm that is tall. It's tall. You also, I'm God hearing. Yeah, ohun tó rò pé ìwà ìwọ̀nfẹ́ ìròyìn chocolate color. Okay. Let me bring somebody up for you. Okay. We have somebody here. So let's bring somebody up for you. Okay, thank you. What is your name? Don't be laugh. Hello?
Traditional, you know what I'm saying? Outside, a lot of different colors,
I got you.
vibrant, you feel me? Nigeria is
I got you. Let's talk.
elegant, you know what I'm saying? Not that South Africa is not elegant, but it's, you know what I'm saying? It's just, it gives Nigeria gives more inside. Inside.
Yeah. Yeah. Iya ni ini kata ibon. TikTok na ya do tai. You understand? Where we are with live video. Water. Yeah, clear. No wala. No wala. I greet you. I like be. No wala. You are real life fit talk. No wala. Now, you go imagine in Bekono, they go for matchmaking. They go for matchmaking. The rate of the stupidity of our generation. This our I say in Bekono they bleach. All those biscuit children, they can't even see the bleach. Then you will see a man where they the man will get sense. Who comes too so low, who comes in now. I don't understand. It be like some people this life with this not get family. You go carry woman, go your pa house. The woman ready for let me go and say to my father. Okay, no. Come on, sir. Well, this is my father. Oh, come on, man. My name is Mary. Mary. I'm your wife. Wife to me. You don't want to marry me. You understand? No. Oh, your father not respond. What's it? What's it? Frankie, sir. Larry, hey, why you web? Marry. No, basically. What? What? Is a cagbo. What? Mary. What gave you no even okay? We buru. Hey, take away that. This thing go dey fun you, but now what thing go happen for future? Now they talk to. Now our women now they born in Bekono. The latest children now with the rain for Deutschland now, especially German. Now in better children. Now those children gonna grow tomorrow to adults. 20 years, 25 years, 30 years. Now, most of the people they run for them because they don't want to stress themselves. Our boys now constantly go to marry them. Then I say, you come the house now. I cross on like this. Daddy, I want to come and show you my girlfriend, you know. Dad, I say, yeah, my son, how are you? My girlfriend, I want to speak my girlfriend. I have money, now. Hey, if somebody young will like you don't so like I have it. Man, I beg you. Oh, I want me. I did the why yak bada yak my daughter-in-law all day. Yak bada go for ipalo. Be sinya gbe. Real life be yak gen kwa. E ga o yan hin sa. Where? O yan hin sa. Ogun ga fian sa. Ebe. Ana hin. Michael, sir. One and namure. Ana hin. One like basically movie. Daddy, this is my wife. I love her. You know what I'm saying? I want to marry her. You know what I'm saying? Ek me bio ye go somebody no me no zuwa. There they mana erena kanoki e gbe hama yon erenoki. It is set bedo ye gbe so yon. It's been lare. Are you a basically? Oh we know. How come you know I go and love it basically? Oh, dad, no, you know, I love biscuit, you know what I'm saying? I want to buy biscuit. Mothers make una they born better children. All these in best side children don't make sense. They could not stop to use medicine, they spawn and pick for belly. Especially those single mothers for Germany, where they born biscuit. When I stop that nonsense, it's a bad thing. If you not stop the thunder, we go wear on our head, they come. And I'm going to give that thunder, we go wear on our head. Now, they can't go until they finish on now. Now go see them. May all of you now, the year not clear. We don't see flat, not fair talker. All those biscuit, mama, when are they wait for me? And the boss special picky for everywhere. It has to stop. What you now going for? Now, let's come to this Benin musician. Benin musician. This Europe tour must stop. It's time. You understand? I watched one video today. I want to download the video, post up my page before they will go delete them. You understand? By one of our Benin musicians from Nigeria, Aproko Nola. Aproko Nola popular everywhere you go. Bushy meat. Bushy meat, they come Europe tour. So as all this thing they hot, you just get my pre-poster come and they call Europe tour. What's that this fire when they all the guns so? Then when I share this video, this video is very, very important. This particular part I want to talk about, I don't believe I want to talk on. You understand? I go invite. Let me see whether word updates they online. Let me invite word update come. Cause I download that video keep before they go delete her. Cause if Saga can start now. Yo, what is it called lie? Bushy meats. I don't see update online. About this bushy meats. I go invite some of our women and some of our men. Now what is this one? Some updates. What updates? What update is this one?
Yeah, and I mean, I did busy with the other of my phone, bro. I didn't live video for YouTube. That's why I come with this one.
Okay, God bless you. Mama, you be.
I did watch you, don't my bros.
Off with me.
I greet you, Baba.
I'm also tough for national peace to reign. So this Aproko Nola matter, and make we discuss her. I will not go talk about SARS.
Okay.
When they don't feel baby, no say they don't call it baby, they bribe us.
Exactly.
You understand?
Our clear.
No where I would nothing will be say with the discuss with SARS.
Not all.
Anything we all show for the audit for this Aproko Nola matter, we all the tear for outside. Everybody go there.
Everybody go the same confirm. You clear, bro.
So
Wabota. Wari motanea.
Go nyanye.
Wabota. Go.
Because I don't invite all the eruptor now. If the Aproko Nola was a Aproko Nola, if they here, just climb up. Both you and what they call what's it boy not by? Only Guasa. More Guasa. Now the matter I want to talk now. When they watch this video, climb up. Because let me send the video straight to them for their WhatsApp. You understand? This is no longer funny. Why I decided to say we'll do this video? Because Aproko Nola last year, you see some for this matter, they apologize.
Exactly.
They beg. You understand? And do where other one are now. Not done one. I will done. Man, when you go on and start, you don't want to Europe.
Okay.
You understand? So you don't want to Europe. Don't mind this week Europe 7. Whatever we want to. We are what we call it. When we are don't need family.
Yeah.
You understand? You are could what on a low key. So that one now, we are the young not setting.
Exactly.
Give me so. Now I go no la. If you watch video now, you send request confirm with the iron your matter.
Immediately.
You need talk to sense your boat. Yeah, well, you they try. You be loyal. You be loyal musician to the core, which we see. My tie boni ma. My tie boni ma the real you understand? My think be mu. Name on the real no we you born when.
Yes.
Because you can one you see how we take on how we misbehave. We also talk straight.
You know.
Understand? Though we cannot misbehave with him, we don't go waste time. We don't even get to even sit panel for your matter.
Yeah.
Our group whereby I was one bull with I don't video what I just as I just saying like I download the video ni keep.
Yeah.
You understand? So before I take my video ni, you only can share video like ni share you WhatsApp in because I don't see I don't know where those everyone like get WhatsApp number and this other guy still get that one WhatsApp number already.
Let me look for them. Yeah, make that they see everything. Yeah, we are man home water.
Exactly. So okay. More get go sanu. Go na la. Bet you have you.
But when I weekend, boy, I'm busy.
Abi. Only with the bar. I'm going to be you. When you're going down, you don't really lie. Really lie. Yeah, really lie. I'm saying really lie. All of the lie.
Yeah, raw voice. Yeah. Yeah, raw.
They lie. So, I told him off quick. Now, if you don't or Timage, I'm going to we in the Europe call.
Yes.
Thank God you you marry one. We have to work the video here. That's first question. You better one of my down one of my home. Let me play the video.
Bless you. A promotion we will pay. You like you we. My ya no one will well that Yanita go my way. If I saw on a ginger, iye-eki. Talania, But I ever saw one of Westoni on your face. Where no combo and send it to you. Any of my women, where any of Gabaki. When I post it, who are you with promotion me? Oh, Gabaki, where will be? Tell me. Yes, my people. Do the roba, do the receive. Congo me, bushy me. Obana me person. Usawona me. Itegwemo. Iria do the receive walao. Derikwe. Ekuyeme. Obugwe. Umi asset it abo. And my little go see drop now. He waiting ya. When I come support me, I come Europe. I come Italy, Germany, Spain, France, Belgium, Austria. Once I reach the country, any state where you call me for all this way I measure, we they come. Book your city. Obaname first song they come. Popular. Bushy, Congo me. Celebrity Melo. Celebrity.
I said again. Who get bushy?
Lassie, fishy. Goody, toki, shiki.
Stew.
Yeah, boy.
Bless you. A promotion we women, ilaki wegbe. Why you no more well at Yalita, go my women wear. And I saw a ginger, iye-eki. Talanya. But I ever saw one of Westoni on your face. Where no combo and send it to Europe, any of my women, where any ya. And I saw a raw, no women were meeting, or you were Latina. Or you were Latina, I will settle. Oh, Gabaki. When I post it, who are you with promotion me? Oh, Gabaki, where will be? Tell me. We come and get good music. Mare or more again we are guasa, Madi. Those who get to where we go. On a lot, Yana to support him. You gotta book your city. Book your city. Everybody say you gotta book your city. Where we go, you gotta book your city. Popular.
Book your city.
I love people support.
I like a book your city.
Remember 12 about that.
Stop them, what?
Yeah, world update. I salute you.
Jaro yo baba damosa.
Very close pa or go wagona. But anyway, order to game chow. Because for me, my whole body
In my billions. I was with you. Now, what do you want? Anyway, ego no lave eguasa. Emma Aguanka. Morigi, my brother will talk me. You now watch a video now. I would advise you send a request and climb up. You understand? So that we'll settle this issue amicably. You understand? I don't wear my own name Roger. But unive sonu wani not beg you die. And when the railway book, I never it because my business is to work. You understand? No one them on the railway book. No more cordia. Oh, you my lad where Mamma Iguale. A kid will have played it. I will be a you understand? If you figure no one, why is in Nigeria? I could be what do you want the job with a mere way? You understand? What do you want with you? What do you want? I'm your boy. You understand? Which is bad. You don't call ya. You understand? Now we see the scenario whereby some of you guys are now also be rude. You understand? Who are really when they are working? Only we are we
my mirror about.
You understand? Which is very bad. Mana,
Kakabo.
Mana level. What I call it to what? Mana level. Imunere mana waji. You want to hear when in here social media. And the information that na expo I just give us. Every go love but they give. Now, expo they give una so. If you are here now, now no matter what to discuss now. I'll climb up. Now, I go no la. Last year, Europe tour must stop. I go no la did a video and that video was nice. What video see bava? Cause I need matter now. Oh yeah, you man. Allah. And they all have anything up back on you. I have been.
Yes.
At the end of the day, we will be boss together. They not gather boss together. Now you see Walaho or the title of the music. And that last year, my got a promoting one. That was the major reason why. Or the Euro tour, the UK, do cool. Mama Saga, if you said Ijiman or whatever, you people, or you didn't show in Manchester, they are showing love. Now you are coming to Europe tour. Now you have that. And as we speak, my Saga musician wa Saga man. The same musician working, but what I said, why I always said, what did you people are fighting for your selfish interest? You understand? Okay, wow, Gunaji, I was secure. Okay, man, now, can Saga musician for this Euro tour was none. The only person I call who I found another guy or more again, a guasa. That day, a life managa, a gaji. Walk on a guy in your name. Oh, yeah, so we have to give you so.
We have to get you.
You understand? Other than we have to give you to the bad. Luis Figo, Nilaho. You understand? The one you tell me update now is more like no, you send a video if music in Ori. You understand? When I go no la, you did not call. I saw your missed call a few days ago. Because who will be missed call me, I will not call back. And the reason why I not call you live video, I even call you was because of advert no we go so the mobile. Then the former career near suspend now a toss ne criminal Mugoya Zera. If you don't the watch on the list, you know, when be making a time you come on, like where I done it. You understand? Now, from all the education we have seen is you. My think I got my dog. Me here think I got my dog. Because my when we done. You understand? So, for me, I will give you a pass mark for your character that you have performed so far throughout last year. Now, you go one of Shaggy show. I talk, but you don't give. You mute boy. You are quite another water. One after the other, we can get together. Okay.
Domo.
Wa
What talk by you?
wa bota wa bota o. Wa happy Sunday ma ye fo ma ye to kan la. Even me ani me hia gwanjo iwe. Ya wo omo anyese. Ala miema no we wo o yo be vayas o da ye o si ekegbe.
Exactly.
Emi na ga asu no we last year ni. O hama mwe no we wage e mani mini sunu da ya tie o ni ya do gbin yen o ni ya do oriwo ni e ba ku e o ni ya do wi yo bo ni e. First music no ka u la dia. Ori ma wo mo no enegbe no ese no nemia mi eke na me na no jere ke na me na meri na aka nemia mi eke no vena kai.
Yeah.
Because here we no ma je ke na me na gbe o ma je ke no vena kai. Marokpa no te we e ma ka we both instrument ne ero. Veno ya su sebe no ya si hwani. When ye ga we nwina. E oyi ye kere ye ijie ye meje. iye na do tula dia wi egwali yobo